Hey guys, welcome to Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to download and install JDK 1.9 or Java 9 on Windows machine. Yeah. So before try to download Java 9 or JDK 9 from internet, let's try to check what JDK version or Java compiler version is running on our machine. So to check that, you have to open a command prompt, right? And here you need to type java hyphen version, right? This will show what JDK version is running on your machine. If you want to check what compiler version that is running on your machine, then type the command java c hyphen version, right? And it will show what Java compiler version is running. So currently I've installed JDK 1.8, and that's why you can see the version. Now let's see how we can download JDK 9 on for our Windows machine, right? So go to the Google, and here you need to type JDK 1.9 download, or you can simply type JDK 9 download, something like that. Click on the very first link, and here Java AC 9 archive downloads. If you come down, then this is the basically latest JDK version we have, right? 904. If you are interested to download the previous, if you want to download only JRE, then also you can download. And here you can see the previous version is also available, 901, and JDK 9 is also available, but I am interested to download only latest version 904, right? So now that depends on your operating system, what operating system you are using. We have a different JDK for different operating system, right? So I want to use JDK for Windows, right? So this is the link, and you look at the file size, 375 MB almost. Now click on this link, and here you have to accept this license, and click on this link, right? So once you click on this link, then you will be navigated to basically login page. Make sure that you have already account on Oracle account, and type username and password, click on the sign login, right? Just wait to login to be completed. Now I don't know why we get this kind of basically message, or basically this requested page is not found. No worry. So just close this page and click on this same link again, and go again and click on the same link. At this time it will allow us to download. So select this agreement and click over here. Then here you can see download has been started. So I'm going to cancel this download because this will take some time. Just to save some time, already I have downloaded basically this JDK. So let me go to that folder. So here you can see I have already downloaded this JDK. If I could show you, size of this file is 375 MB, right? Now just I look at the version 904. This is the latest one. Just double click on this, and just I'm going to click on install anyway, right? There is possibly on your machine, whenever you double click over here, then directly you'll get this page, what is coming out. You'll get this kind of page, right? So just say yes, allow them to install on your machine. Now you'll get this kind of page. So simply you have to click on the next, right? Again you need to click on the next. Installation, I don't think so this will take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now here you can see your JDK is going to install on this directory, program files, under we have a Java folder. Under that this is going to install. If you want to change this directory, then click on the change and select your own directory, your desired directory where you want to install. But I would like to stick with this default installation directory. So just I'm going to click on the next, and our download has just started. Not download, but installation has just started. Once installation completes, then you get this kind of message, right? Java AC development kit 904, which is 64-bit, successfully installed, right? If you want to basically check, you want to access tutorials, API documentation, development kit, development guidelines, etc., then you have to click over here. But Otherwise we can just click on close. So installation is completed successfully. Now thing is that we have installed JDK, right, 9. So if you go to, sorry guys, if you go to C drive and then program files, under that search for the Java folder. Inside the Java, now you can see earlier there was only a JDK 1.8 folder, right, JDK 1.8, this one, and JRE, but now JDK 904, right, as well as JRE 904 is present, right. So once install JDK 1.9, then these two directory will be created, right. So one for the JDK, another for JRE, right. Now if I check what JDK version is running on my machine, then still it will show it will show Java 8 only. Reason is that we need to set so it is saying Java version, right, 904. I don't know why I didn't set delete. There may be a previous setting. And if you check compiler version, then let's see what is coming. It is coming 10 I mean compiler version 18, right. That is not fair. So what you have to do, you have to check, you have to set basically Java home directory as well as your Java home directory as well as Java bin directory, that is called path. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to the bin, okay, and I will copy this path, and I will go to my control panel, and you have to go to environment variable basically, and here you have to type env, right.
Always scan this section.
env, okay, and click over here, edit section, and here go to the inside the advanced, right, advanced tab. You have to go to environment variable, and here you need to check for the Java home. So currently Java home is pointing JDK 1.8. so here you have to override. So you have to give the basically path till this JDK 1. Sorry, I have copied for JDK 1.8. That is wrong. I need to copy. I was supposed to copy for C drive, program files, then you have to go to Java, and you need to go in JDK 9, right, and copy this directory. Sorry guys, why this is, I need to copy this location, right. Now go back again, click over here, and here in Java home you have to give the path till JDK folder, right, and click on OK. Then go to the path variable. In path variable currently it is pointing Java 8, right, so you have to override this one, right, and of course you have to give the path till bin, right, and click on OK, and then OK. Now if you open command prompt, just open the new command and you check for Java version. So it is saying sorry, Java version, there is a spelling mistake. Then it is showing Java 904 is running, and Java compiler version, if you check, then it is showing 904. So that's the way basically we can download and install Java 9 on Windows machine, right. So that's all I have in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe JDK Java Tutorials. That's my channel, and see you there in the next video tutorial.